Here's a recipe you can try that puts a festive twist on the classic meatball. Start off with 2 pounds of ground beef in a large bowl. Add onion powder, garlic powder, thyme, yellow mustard, breadcrumbs to thicken it, cranberry jelly for a little sweetness, and 1 egg. Now loosely mix everything with a fork before getting your hands in there to knead it all together. After it's been well mixed, use your hands to form balls that are about 1.5 inches in diameter, then place them on a lined baking sheet and bake for 20 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. While the meatballs bake, start preparing your sauce by adding fresh cranberries, sugar, orange juice, soy sauce, and cranberry jelly to a large pan over medium-high heat. Stir everything together until the sugar has dissolved, then pour in a little water and white wine vinegar and allow the sauce to come up to a simmer. After about 15 minutes, the sauce will have reduced and thickened slightly, and at that point you can add your cooked meatballs. Allow these to simmer in the sauce for another 20 minutes, then you're ready to serve. Subscribe to Dish for more holiday recipes.